Hello students, welcome back to another part of chapter number 12 series. In this video, we are going to discuss chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophiles, oxidation and reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones, as well as electrophilic substitution reactions. So, let's start. First, let's discuss haloform reaction. When aldehydes, methyl ketones and all the alcohols containing CH3CHOH group treated with an excess of halogen in the presence of alkali produce a haloform. For example, acetone oxidized by sodium hypoiodide gives sodium acetate plus yellow PPT of iodoform plus 2 molecules of NaOH. In this reaction, the salt of carboxylic acid formed contain one carbon atom less than the starting aldehyde or ketone, and the methyl group is converted into haloform. The next reaction we will talk about is aldol condensation reaction. This reaction is based on the acidity of alpha hydrogens of aldehydes or ketones. There are two types of aldol condensation, self-aldol condensation and cross-aldol condensation. In self-aldol condensation reaction, two molecules of an aldehyde or a ketone condense in the presence of a dilute alkali to form a beta hydroxy aldehyde or a beta hydroxy ketone respectively. When the products of aldol condensation heated with dilute acids, they undergo dehydration, leading to the formation of alpha-beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones. The reaction of self-aldol condensation are as follows. Two molecules of aldehydes reacts with aqueous NaOH to give aldol. Then aldol on heating with dilute acid produce alpha-beta unsaturated aldehyde. For example, two molecules of ethanol reacts with dilute NaOH to give 3-hydroxybutanol, that is an aldol, which on heating with dilute acid produce but2-enol. Similarly, two molecules of propanol reacts with barium hydroxide to give 4-hydroxy-4-methyl-pentane-2-1, that is a ketol, which on heating with dilute acid produce 4-methyl-pent-3-ene-2-1. The self-aldol condensation reaction is nothing but a nucleophilic addition-elimination reaction. Now, let's talk about cross-aldol condensation reaction. An aldol condensation that occurs between two different aldehydes or two different ketones are known as cross-aldol condensation reaction. If two different aldehydes or two different ketones contain alpha hydrogen, they give mixture of 4 products. For example, cross-aldol condensation between ethanol and propanol followed by heating gives mixture of 4 products. Let's see the reaction. Ethanol plus propanol in the presence of dilute NaOH and heat gives crotonaldehyde or but2-enol plus 2-methyl-pent2-enol and 2-methyl-but2-enol plus pent2-enol. The next reaction is nothing but Cannizzaro reaction. Those aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen on treatment with concentrated alkali solution undergo disproportionation reaction, that is self-oxidation reduction reaction. As a result, one molecule of an aldehyde is reduced to alcohol and second molecule is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Such reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. For example, formaldehyde on treatment with concentrated NaOH gives sodium formate plus methanol. In the same way, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde gives benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate when treated with concentrated KOH in methanol. Cross-Cannizzaro reaction. When a mixture of formaldehyde and non-analyzable aldehyde, that is aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, is treated with strong base, formaldehyde is oxidized to formic acid while the other non-analyzable aldehyde is reduced to alcohol. For example, formaldehyde plus benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated NaOH and H3O positive ion gives phenyl methanol plus formic acid. Let's move to the next topic, oxidation and reduction reaction of aldehydes and ketones. First, let's try to understand oxidation of aldehydes and ketones with dilute HNO3, KMNO4 and K2Cr2O7. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acids containing the same number of carbon atoms by oxidant such as dilute nitric acid, potassium permanganate and sodium or potassium dichromate in acidic medium. Easy oxidation of aldehydes is due to the presence of hydrogen atom on the carbonyl group, which can be converted to OH group without any cleavage of other bonds. Whereas ketones resist oxidation due to the absence of hydrogen atom attached to carbonyl group. Since ketones contain strong COC bond, they are oxidized by strong oxidizing agent such as CrO3, alkaline KMNO4 or hot concentrated HNO3 to mixture of carboxylic acids. The carboxylic acid formed contains less number of carbon atom than the starting ketones. Let's see the reaction. RC double bond OR dash reacts with CrO3 to give RC double bond OOH plus R dash C double bond OOH. For example, acetone reacts with CrO3 to produce acetic acid and butane 2,1 reacts with CrO3 to give mixture of ethanoic acid plus propanoic acid. Now we will discuss reduction reaction of aldehydes and ketones. So let's discuss Clemmensen reduction reaction first. Clemmensen reduction reaction involves the reduction of carbonyl group of an aldehyde and ketone with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl to CH2 group. Clemmensen reduction is widely used for the reduction of those aldehydes and ketones which are sensitive to alkalis. For example, acetone plus 4H in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl gives propane plus H2O. Similarly, propanol plus 4H in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl gives propane plus H2O. The next reduction reaction is nothing but Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. In this reduction method, aldehydes and ketone is heated with hydrazine and KOH in a high boiling solvent like ethylene glycol, because of which carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. For example, propanol reacts with hydrazine to give hydrazone, which in turn reacts with KOH in the presence of ethylene glycol to produce propane plus N2. Wolff-Kishner reduction is used to synthesize straight chain alkyl substituted benzene, which is not possible by Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. For example, ethyl phenyl ketone reacts with hydrazine to produce hydrazone, which in turn reacts with KOH in the presence of ethylene glycol to give N-propyl benzene plus N2. Now let's talk about electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones undergo electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration, sulfonation and halogenation. The CHO group and C double bond O group shows both minus I effect as well as minus R effect. Hence, they deactivate benzene ring at ortho and para positions, which results in the formation of meta product. For example, benzaldehyde plus concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives metanitrobenzaldehyde plus H2O. Thank you students for watching this video. I hope you have understood all the types of chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.